Good afternoon, students. I hope you're all fine.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hanji, Gurpreet, I'm seeing you in the class after a long time. So are you fine now?
Yes, ma'am.
So I believe you were left to present your PPT, right?
मैम अभी रेडी नहीं है मैम। पहले मैम रेडी थी, फिर बीच में
Hanji,
मैम मेरे बॉडी सेल्स वगैरह मैम वो कम हो गए बिल्कुल ही। मैम
I
मैंने उसका भी
think I
प्रिपरेशन
got to
की
know
नहीं।
that you got the vaccine, the first shot of the vaccine. Is that so?
नो मैम, मेरे वैसे बॉडी सेल कम हो गए थे बिल्कुल ही।
Okay, all right.
मैम वो मेरे लगी थी।
अच्छा, हरमन के लगी थी. Okay, so sorry, that was my mistake. Right, so
Yes.
Harman, are you feeling better now?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, chalo, that is wonderful. So Gurpreet, no problem. You can just get it ready if possible by tomorrow or the day after that, right?
ओके मैम।
So I hope your result was okay. So how was the result?
यस मैम, अच्छा था मैम, गुड।
Okay, nothing out of the ordinary.
अच्छा था मैम, गुड।
Was it like what you expected? हाँ जी बच्चे, सो मतलब ज्यादा खराब या ज्यादा ऐसे एक्सट्रीम्स में तो नहीं गया?
नहीं मैम, ठीक ठाक आ गए मैम।
Okay, so that is a good score, Arvind. That is a really wonderful score. So we will just begin in a minute or two. All right. So I have thought of something very light for the day, right? Just a light activity. So we can have a logo quiz, right? I have found this good website online. So I tried a quiz or two, right? So let's see how many of us know the various logos of the various brands, right? That we are surrounded by. Most of the times we do notice, right? We are familiar. However, it is all dependent on how keenly you observe. ठीक है, किसी को कोई बात याद रह जाती है. Some people are unable to, recall it at the right moment. So this quiz is more, a test of how well you can recall, from your memory, right? So should we begin?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I'll just share the screen, right? And now you are supposed to tell me the answers. So nothing like that. Anybody can tell. ठीक है, जिसको भी इसका आंसर सबसे पहले स्ट्राइक कर रहा है, and then we can pick that option and check. All right.
BMW.
Okay.
BMW.
So more for BMW. Let's see. Very good. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay. So what about this one?
Linux. Last one.
Linux है? Okay. Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
मैंने तो Penguin Boys इसका mark कर देना था because I have never seen the logo. All right.
Porsche.
Porsche, everybody agrees?
यस मैम।
All right. That was correct. Let's move further. This one is simple.
प्यूमा।
Second
Right?
one.
ये तो मुझे
Puma.
good. So yes, Sonali, you are also supposed to answer right. Don't let the boys win. Okay. So what about this one?
Nike.
Okay, Nike. Nike, right? That was correct. Okay, so how
Harley
about
Davidson.
Harley Davidson.
Harley Davidson? All right, so that was also correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now this is, I'm seeing this for the first time. So what would you go? Which
I think
option?
third one.
Third option? So everybody agrees?
Nabisco.
अच्छा, Nabisco की भी votes हैं, तो let's see. More votes for Nabisco or Heinz? Yes, Gurpreet, Sonali, Arvind, Vishal. हाँ जी बच्चे, what
नो
do you
आइडिया मैम।
नो आइडिया? चलो तुक्का मार दो, कौन सा?
हम सेकंड वन।
ओके चलो, सेकंड वन की
हम
2
थर्ड
वोट्स
वन।
हो गई है, थर्ड की भी 2 वोट्स हो गई है।
मीन्स
चलो सोनाली, यू आर द टाई ब्रेकर हेयर, नाउ यू टेल मी व्हाट डू यू थिंक? कौन सा वाला बेटा?
सेकंड वन में।
चलो सेकंड।
वन मैम।
Okay, that was not correct. Let's try the third one. Okay, that is also not correct. So, fourth one or first? Nintendo.
First.
All right, let's try. Oh, that was good. So, that was Nintendo. All right, so, bache, who is this new entrant in the class? Hanji, bache, I need to know because I am seeing you for the first time here. Okay, so he left the class, whoever that was. Anyway, let's get back to our quiz. So yes, that was Nintendo. Okay, how about this one now? Is it Sony, LG, Philips or Subaru?
मैम
Philips.
Very good. See, I couldn't really tell. Oh, so we have all seen this guy.
Pringles.
Pringles, everybody? Yes? All right, let's move further. So, what about this one?
Lacoste.
सेकंड वन।
Post.
Okay, everybody agrees. Okay. So, let's have another quiz. Oh, this is good.
Wikipedia.
फोर्थ वन।
Right, our help in whenever we have to make any assignment. So, we all visit this website. Okay, so what about this? Michelin, Goodyear, Cooper Tire or Continental?
And Michelin. Right.
Michelin, everybody agrees?
No.
Do you want me to pick Michelin? Hanji bache. So I'll go with that. Okay.
मैम थर्ड वन।
Third one, Cooper Tire. No, I think
मैम
it's
Goodyear।
Goodyear. Okay, right. So okay, ये तो repeat ही हो गया. Okay, what about this?
Xbox.
Xbox?
Xbox.
Xbox.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I would have marked Sony Ericsson. So how about this one?
Oakley।
मैम
Okay.
Ford या Toyota?
Ford या Toyota. And Oakley की भी vote हैं. So what about
Oakley.
others? Toyota?
मैम सेकंड वन।
Okay, second one. So should I pick second one? Everybody is okay with that?
Yes मैम।
All right, let's see. Oh, that was correct. I thought maybe it is part of the Toyota logo, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this one is
Last one.
last one, Mazda. Let's
Yes,
see.
ma'am. Last one.
It was correct. This is easy.
Pizza.
Domino's. Ma'am, Domino's.
Domino's. Everybody is familiar with this, right? Okay. So yes, we
Ma'am,
have
Michelin.
Michelin. So that was correct as well. Now what about this one?
DreamWorks.
DreamWorks?
DreamWorks, ma'am.
For sure. Not the New Line Cinema or Paramount. Oh, it's not DreamWorks. What about the third option? हाँ जी बच्चे, what
Ma'am,
would
second
you
one.
second one now? Okay, yes, that was correct. All right, so how about this one?
Third one.
Third one?
Ma'am, third one.
All right, let's check. Oh, that was correct. So let's try another quiz. Let's see if we can get different questions. All right, so what about this logo here? हाँ जी, Karan,
The
Vishal,
North Face.
Sonali,
Ma'am, second one.
CNN.
Ma'am, the North Face.
Okay, so we have one vote for CNN and one for North Face, right? So what about the others? Yes, Sushant, Sonali, what do you think?
Ma'am, fourth, the North Face.
Okay, so another vote for North Face. Vishal, Karan. Yes. Okay, so Sonali also says the North Face. So I think 3 votes for North Face. So we should probably pick this one. Yes, you guys are correct. This is for the North Face. All right.
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola.
We can all identify this C, right? So, okay, ये तो repeat हो गया. What about this one?
टिक टैक.
Tic Tac, for sure.
Yes.
Ma'am, Tic Tac.
So everyone agrees that it is Tic Tac. Let's check. Yes. ये तो काफी easy है.
Mercedes.
Mercedes Benz.
Mercedes Benz, right? ये भी familiar है.
DreamWorks.
DreamWorks, right? Okay. What about this one?
British Airways.
Ma'am, the Lufthansa. Ma'am,
Lufthansa? Okay, since I
Yes,
heard
ma'am.
2 or 3 people voting for Lufthansa. Okay, so that was
British
incorrect.
Airways.
British Airways.
British
Ma'am, fourth
Airways.
one.
Yes.
Okay, so somebody is with Boeing and someone says British Airways, right? So Vishal, Karan, what do you say? Yes, Sonali.
Ma'am, British Airways.
Okay, should I go in for British Airways? Oh, that was correct. Let's move further. Oh, I accidentally selected this, though we know it is. Which one is this?
IBM.
IBM,
Third
right?
one.
All right.
Mastercard.
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 Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that was correct. This is very easy.
McDonald's.
McDonald.
McDonald's.
Ma'am, McD.
Okay. So I think now we can just move on to something else, right? Or do you want to play another game here? हाँ जी बच्चे. What do you say? Some other activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay, so tell me what can we do? Like, do you want a mock interview or can we have extempore? So I'll just.
Hello.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am?
Yes, Sushant.
मैम बाहर आया हूँ तो मैम रिस्पॉन्स करने में मैम प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है.
Okay, okay. That's okay. I'm glad that you informed me, right? So that's all right. So yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
yes, that I really appreciate that you informed me. All right. So yes, so students, are you okay with the idea of an extempore? So extempore is basically that an unprepared speech, right? So I'll just give you a topic here. I'll give you 2 minutes to think over it, and then you can share whatever are your thoughts on that. So is that a good idea? And I'm going to ask you a bit funny questions, right? Some witty questions. So is that all right? So that in that way you can just practice, your spoken skills. हाँ जी बच्चे. or you can also, think of it as a mock interview. So yes or no for this? Hanji, Vishal, Karan, Arvind, Nikhil, Sonali. Sorry, can you type it? I couldn't hear you. Can you type it for me? हाँ जी बच्चे. So I just, right now thinking about, okay, so you want to ask questions to each other? Okay, that is a good idea as well. I like that idea. So yes, that is good that you suggest the questions and, you can, let's say, some of you can answer it, right? Okay, so first, do you have a question ready, Sonali? All right. Okay, no. So don't worry, take your time, right? So, okay, all of you, you think of some questions which you want to ask, right? It could be something witty, something funny, something about maybe suggestions that what do you think about this, right? Like if I were to ask you, I am going to ask you what suggest any two improvements that you would like to see in the education system, right? In the way of teaching or your classes, your coursework, right? In the manner your exams are taken. So anything about the education system. So, okay, this is my question, right? So I want to know two improvements which you feel. Similarly, you can also think of some questions like that on those lines, right? And then we can ask each other the same. Or it could also be done this way that, the same question can be answered by all of us one by one, right? So anybody who's ready with a question to ask, you can send it to me in the chat or you can just speak it out for the whole class, whichever way you feel comfortable. हाँ जी बच्चे. So what do you say to that? So I hope, okay, so either you can just suggest, you can answer my question first and then we can move on to your question, right? So think about any two improvements that you feel the education system needs. So may I give you 5 minutes to think over that? And then all of you can answer it one by one. So, Bacha, I'm giving you just 5 minutes to think over the answer, right? And then I can listen to you. Like you can share your opinions one by one. All right, students, I hope you are ready with your answers. So, all right, Gurpreet. Yes, let's start with you.
Yes, ma'am.
So, tell me what two improvements, according to you, the education sector needs.
Ma'am, according to me, ma'am, there is the educational system need more interaction between the faculty, teachers, and students, so they can get to know what the students actually want. And ma'am, the practical work is more needed than theory.
All
तो
right.
मैम इन फ्यूचर प्रैक्टिकल वर्क ही काम आएगा.
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल सही बात कही है आपने. That we definitely need more focus on practical work rather than, more theoretical. And okay, so increased and better interaction between faculty and the teachers and the students, right? Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
maybe we can have just one weekly meeting where you just have to, let's say, voice your concerns and the teachers can address those, right? Not a lecture or anything, just one meeting per week where you can share your concerns, any doubts you have, anything you are worried about, right?
यस मैम. मैम फिर हम वीकली अपनी मैम कोई प्रॉब्लम्स वगैरह उनसे शेयर कर सकते हैं कि हमें अगर
बिल्कुल
कॉलेज में कुछ सही नहीं लग रहा है तो.
राइट. एंड अभी जैसे ये कि क्लास में कई बार आपको टाइम नहीं मिलता या यू डोंट गेट द चांस टू वॉइस आउट. So that is a good idea, right? We can definitely have just 10 minutes set aside for this thing, right? In one of our classes where you can voice your concerns if you felt any, right? Or anything you might be worried about, any doubts you have. So is that a good
Yes,
idea?
ma'am.
All right. So, okay, let's now talk to Arvind. So Arvind, what do you think, according to you? All right. So Sonali, you have some wonderful points here. Why don't you share it with all the students? So Sonali says that we need less focus on rote learning. I completely agree with that, because if your marks are dependent on how well you can memorize things, then there is certainly something wrong with the system. Because memorizing things and understanding it and applying it are two different things, right? So some students, they are able to pick up on concepts really fast. However, they cannot just memorize the same thing word by word. Right, Sonali? So I hope I'm voicing your opinion in the right manner, right? So this is what you meant. Then the evaluation system also needs improvement. Sonali, can you elaborate on what improvements would you like to see in the evaluation system? हाँ जी बच्चे. Yes. So equal respect to all the subjects, that equal emphasis should be there, right? And better training of educators. Certainly we can always, benefit from learning better, from, improving our own skills about connecting with you, about teaching to you, right? So, okay, who would like to answer next? Arvind? Hanji bache, can you hear me? What about Harmanpreet? Yes, Harmanpreet. Am I audible?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
All right, Harman. So what two suggestions would you give for improvement of the education sector? Hanji bache, what do you think about that?
मैम आई थिंक कि जो सा मतलब सिलेबस है उसको एज अ बर्डन नहीं प्रेजेंट करना चाहिए. कि
All
मतलब
right.
जितना सारा सिलेबस है उसको इजीली कवर करना चाहिए, ताकि बच्चा भी जो सा अगला स्टूडेंट है वो भी फोकस कर पाए होली धीरे धीरे जैसे.
All right. And what else?
बस यही है.
Okay. So yes, at times you feel that जो syllabus को ऐसे show किया जाता है कि जैसे बहुत ज़्यादा syllabus है, right? Maybe that particular teacher, they just want you to be serious about it. However, yes, I understand that that can at times work in an unfavorable manner as well, कि आपको extra उसका stress ना हो जाए कहीं के बहुत ज़्यादा syllabus है, and rather than being motivated to study, you just feel more scared or let down, right? So yes, it all matters how things are presented and how you perceive them. So yes, for us as teachers, we definitely need to present it in a way which can be done, which is achievable, right? So if we are, saying that, okay, even if the syllabus is, let's say, vast, we can definitely cover it in this time, right? If the teacher is presenting a particular plan to you, so you would also feel more confident. So yes, I agree with you on that. That was a good suggestion. All right. So Karan Kumar, would you like to share your views? Hanji Karan. Yes, Karan, am I audible? Karan, am I audible to you? All right, moving on further. So Nikhil.
Ma'am, students should have right to choose their own subjects as system force students to take their own subjects like compulsory subjects or extra subjects.
All right. So, and what else do you think?
Ma'am, if a person wants to study a single subject in which he wants to become perfect, so ma'am, the other subjects, ma'am, will make him more weak and back.
All right. So let me just rephrase what you told me, that you want that we should have a more flexible system of what subjects you want to read and what you don't want to read, right? So let's say if your interest is in one particular field, so you would want to have expertise in that field. You would want to study that field in more detail, right? Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So see, I am not too familiar with how your coursework is designed, right, for engineering, for BTech, since I am from arts background. So the idea that you are, telling me now, we do have this freedom there. Like, for example, in bachelor's, I'm not sure if you are familiar with that. Like, if we pursue Bachelor of Arts, so we have two or three compulsory subjects that we have to study. One of them is Punjabi, one is English, and there is one environmental studies in the first year, right? For which we just have to clear one MCQ test. Otherwise, we get to pick 3 elective subjects, right? So there are different combinations there that you pick one from, let's say, history, this, then one from political science, public ad, and this. So there are various combinations, right? And we get to choose one from each, right? However, even in this case, no doubt we are picking subjects of our own choice, but at times somebody might be more passionate about, let's say, psychology or about geography. So for that also, recently GNDU, if you're familiar with that, Guru Nanak Dev University in Amritsar, they have come up with this idea of honors school degree, which is a 3 years bachelor's degree, in which you get to study one particular subject in greater detail, right? I am not sure if it is there for the sciences, but for arts subject, it is there, right? So there is honor school in English or honor school in so and so, where yes, you are reading other subjects also, but this one particular subject, it will be more focused on, right? So yes, your suggestion is really good that we should get the option of picking what subjects we want to study in greater detail, right? If you are interested in additional subjects, जैसे जो बाहर की यूनिवर्सिटीज है ना, they have very good system in this regard, that let's say some student is interested in 2 subjects, the teachers there, they will help you study that in greater detail, appear for a test, submit its assignment, and then you end up graduating with 2 majors. जैसे उनका आपने सुना होगा, they have a graduation and they always say कि I have done my graduation with majors in this subject. वो होता है कि उन्होंने अपने ग्रेजुएशन में नो डाउट काफी सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़े हैं, बट जिसमें मेजर्स हैं उसमें उन्होंने ज्यादा डिटेल में पढ़ा है, right? Similarly, the bright students, they help them to major in 2 subjects as well. So yes, we do need a little more flexibility in our education system and the coursework design as well, right? But for BTech, I feel maybe the things are more fixed. Why? Because all of them are necessary for you, right? So you just get to make the choice of whether you want to, let's say, go in for mechanical, computer science, right? Electronics or civil. All right. So let's move further. So विशाल कुमार, हाँ जी विशाल कुमार, मेरी बात आपको आवाज सुन रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Vishal. So I want to hear your suggestions about the education system, about improving the education system.
मैम स्टडी प्रैक्टिकली होनी चाहिए थियोरेटिकली से ज्यादा।
All right.
वैसे इंटरेस्ट भी बढ़ता है बच्चे का, वैसे स्टडी प्रैक्टिकली करेंगे तो मैडम थियोरेटिकल से थोड़ा बर्डन पड़ता है। हाँ भाई थ्योरी याद करनी है, डिट्टो करनी है, तो प्रैक्टिकली बच्चा कभी भी कैसे भी कर सकता है अपनी मर्जी से।
Okay. So any other suggestion?
नो मैम।
Okay. So you just feel that, you know, our education, it should be more practically inclined than theoretical. And I completely agree with you on that. Since we already had this point that rote learning is not easy, right? And memorizing stuff is not easy. It is good as long as you know how to apply that knowledge. जैसे आपने बाहर का सुना होगा, like in most of the colleges or you know the education system in US, America, Australia, most of the Western countries, it is more application based. They don't even expect you to memorize the formula, right? They will give you the formula, they'll give you everything, you just need to know how to apply it, right? So let's say अगर आपका, I am not sure अब maths में आपके क्या topics होते हैं, math subject होते हैं आपको like in mechanical and ECE?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है ठीक है।
यस
तो
मैम।
इसमें आपके कौन से होते हैं topics, like some topics which I might also be able to understand, like just mention few topics.
Ma'am, integration,
Okay.
differentiation.
All right. And what else?
A matrix, determinants.
ओके ओके। तो
लिमिट्स।
इसमें आपको फॉर्मूले याद करने पड़ते हैं, लाइक इसका क्या फॉर्मूला, इसको कैसे करना
Yes, ma'am, yeah.
है ना? तो व्हाट आई नो दैट बाहर मतलब वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में क्या सिस्टम है, दे डोंट एक्सपेक्ट यू टू मेमोराइज, दे गिव यू द लिस्ट ऑफ फॉर्मूले, राइट? एंड यू जस्ट नो हाउ टू, यू जस्ट हैव टू नो हाउ टू अप्लाई इट, एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू अप्लाई इट एंड शो इट टू देम दैट यस यू कुड डू इट, राइट? जैसे अगर हम स्टैट्स की बात करें, वी हैव यू नो मेजर्स ऑफ सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी, मीन, मीडियन, मॉड, ऑल दीज थिंग्स, ठीक है? तो उसमें हम तो इसका फॉर्मूला याद रखते हैं कि इसका हमें ऐसे मीन निकालना है, ठीक है, इसका एडिशन ये है या जो भी है, बट वहां पे, and I feel that is a better approach. Why? Because then you can focus on understanding things rather than memorizing the same, right? So that was another very good suggestion. All right, so Vishal, roll number 363, yes, would you like to give your suggestion?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, sure.
Can I speak in Hindi?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, you can speak in Hindi.
मैम जैसे कि मैम हर एक बच्चे को मैम पर्सनलाइज एजुकेशन मिलनी चाहिए। जैसे कि कोई क्लास में कोई होशियार होता है जो कि मतलब क्विक लर्निंग कर पाता है, लेकिन किसी को टाइम लगता है सीखने के लिए। तो इसलिए ना टीचर्स को लगता है कि सभी की मतलब एक ही कैपेसिटी है लर्न करने की, तो सभी मतलब सब साथ साथ चलते हैं। लेकिन जो बच्चे नहीं सीख पाते जल्दी, तो उनको उनके ऊपर ध्यान नहीं देते, फिर बाद में वो फेल होते हैं। इसलिए मतलब हर एक बच्चे की अलग अलग कैपेसिटी के हिसाब से उन्हें पढ़ाना चाहिए।
All right, that is a very good suggestion. You know that you know, even though a classroom is, let's say, a combination of different students, जैसे अगर मैं उसको हिंदी में बताऊं कि एक heterogeneous group है, ठीक है? हर बच्चे की अपनी यूनिक कैपेबिलिटी है, हर बच्चे का अपना यूनिक टैलेंट है या एप्टीट्यूड है, but yes, we need some personalized touch as well, so that the teacher knows your progress, right? The teacher should know where you are lagging behind, what you are good at, and we can move the class in, let's say, at an average pace which is suitable for everyone, for the high scorers as well as the people who take time to understand things, right? So yes, that was a very good suggestion, that's a very good idea, right? And as a teacher, I would personally like to implement that in my classes, right? So that everybody is taken care of and their needs are catered to, right? I have been through that as well. जैसे अगर मैं मैथ्स की क्लास में थी, so there used to be students who were very quick at it, right? जैसे अभी सर ने लिखा ये सम, उन्होंने आंसर भी निकाल देना, बता भी देना. Now I was new to it, so and I had let's say joined late, so I used to be baffled कि यार इसको आंसर भी आता है. उससे क्या होता था, I used to feel underconfident. Why? Because that person is performing so well. So I get that anxiety that I also have to reach that level because maybe that is the level of the whole class, right? And on the other hand, because of that anxiety जो मुझे आता था, I used to forget that as well, or I used to make mistakes in that, or I used to be slow in solving the sum because आपकी attention divert हो गई, right? That you don't know, because I started thinking on these lines, oh, I don't know, I am lagging behind, I really need to work hard. So yes, I can completely relate with that and understand your point that the class should be for everyone and the teacher should take into account everyone's unique ability, unique capability and unique progress, right? And nobody should feel like they are being left behind या उनका बहुत ज़्यादा backlog हो रहा है. So yes, that was a very good idea from your side, right? Other than that, all of you who added to the discussion here, I really appreciate that you are,
Yes, ma'am.
comfortable.
Second.
हाँ जी, विशाल बताओ.
मैम हर एक सब्जेक्ट को मैम एक मतलब एक इक्वली रिस्पेक्ट देनी चाहिए मैम. कहीं मैम समझते हैं कि जैसे आर्ट स्ट्रीम है तो वो थोड़ी कम है, तो जैसे कि सभी ऐसे सोचते हैं कि पेरेंट्स भी सोच रहे हैं, टीचर भी सोचते हैं.
Right.
मतलब आर्ट्स रखी है तो बच्चे लायक बच्चे आर्ट्स
See,
में
I
जाएंगे,
went
तो
through
मतलब
that.
इक्वल रिस्पेक्ट
I can
मिलनी
relate
चाहिए
with that. बिल्कुल, क्योंकि see, the moment
मैम.
I when I picked arts, so
I
everybody
also
was shocked. कि arts why क्यों लिया? You scored good marks in 10th. So this is another topic for discussion, and we can take this up tomorrow since the class is about to end today. Because then we